Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, halfway through the week today. Today is April 10th of 2019. Here are the morning announcements for today. Today, boys and girls, is an early dismissal, so at 1:05. So I really hope that you notified your parents or grandparents or somebody to pick you up early today. So 1:05 dismissal today. Also tonight we have our reading and math night, so it is focused on the solar system. So we have lots of fun activities that will be happening today and all tonight, and also a guest author will be in the building. Boys and girls, if you want to get any books from our book fair, this would be the time that you want to go and get them. So from 6 until 7:30 the book fair is open also. For our April birthdays, we have one birthday to announce, so happy birthday, Miriam Cloyd. Today's your birthday. Hope you have a great day. For our lunch choices today, we have cheeseburger, grilled barbecue chicken sandwich, or Italian sub. And today we have our pause, sponsored by our third grade students. Alright, it's time for our pause, and the boys and girls today from third grade came up with some things for not to do on the slides on the playground.
One person down the slide at a time. Go feet first, not stomach first. Do not push people up on the slide. Don't climb up the slide when someone's going down.
Those are great examples. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. And boys and girls, remember, we always want to look for that great playground behavior outside. So let's remember what our friends are telling us, especially during our announcements, whether it's the swing or the slides. So those are great things to remember when we're outside for recess on the playground. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and I hope everyone has a great day. And remember, early dismissal today at 1:05.